my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas to everyone. I am so excited because in today's video, I just received my December 2020 Boxycharm, which is the last box of the year of 2020. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. It will mean the world to me. Now let's get into it. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription of $25 and it contains 5 full-size products in here, makeup, sometimes skincare, but it's a makeup subscription box and the value is around $125 or more. So if you would like to sign up for Boxycharm, if you haven't already, I have my link down below. Feel free to use it. Now let's get into the box because I'm just really excited. So this is the last box of the year. As you guys can see, it's already still sealed. I literally just got this box and today is Christmas Eve as I'm filming this. So I'll probably be posting this tomorrow. Let's open it. I'm gonna let you guys sneak a peek first. Ta-da! This is the stuff that's inside. So of course we have the beautiful Boxycharm card. This has all of the products that are in the box and it tells you about everything that's inside, including the pricing. So I'm gonna give you the total at the end of the video. And this is variation 31, it says right here. Now my box is 0.62 kilograms. I will put all of this in the description box down below. And the size is 23 by 18 by 8, in case you're wondering. Let's dive in. So first thing in the box I'm gonna grab. No idea what I'm getting. Absolutely no idea. This is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I love Elemis. I received another Elemis product from Boxycharm and I just love it. Been using it every day. It's like a cooling gel for the face. Let's open it up. Look at this. Wow. This is so beautiful. Look at this. So this is what the product looks like. And it's the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Reveal a soft lit from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. This lightweight multi-use formula leaves your skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. And it can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. And this retails for $49. Oh, it comes with this little tip right here, which is very good so that the product doesn't get lost. So I'm gonna apply just a tiny bit on my hand right here. It is very moisturizing and it has a very nice scent. For me, in my opinion, as you can see, not much highlight. So I wouldn't use this as just as a highlighter on the cheeks. I would probably use this underneath makeup and it's gonna give you that nice glowy skin like type of makeup look. So I'm excited to use this underneath my makeup 100%, but I will definitely probably not use this as a highlight because I prefer more intense highlight than this. So this I'm really excited about. Next product in the December 2020 box, last box of the year is Ofra. Yes, I'm so excited. Ofra Banana Powder Brightening and Setting Powder. Ooh, let's open it up. This is what the packaging looks like. It has a nice yellow border in a white packaging box. I am so happy I got this one. Don't have anything by Ofra. Look at this. This is such a nice high-end packaging. It's a pressed banana powder. Ofra Cosmetics is the pressed banana powder. This innovative matte powder is lightly banana scented and extremely versatile. So you use it to conceal dark under eye circles, or you set your concealer and foundation, highlight, or even as a matte eyeshadow. And this retails for $35. Look how beautiful this is. So it's a white packaging. It says Ofra right there and banana powder on the back. Oh, it has like a nice closing cap and it has a beautiful mirror right there, and that's what the product looks like. Ooh, look at this. Very nice and smooth. Very light scented, banana light scented. I love it. I can't wait to use this and see how it will look on my skin. I'm excited to have an Ofra product. Next thing in the packaging are some Luxie brushes. I am so excited. If you guys don't know, I've received some of the Luxie brushes in another Boxycharm. These are the purple ones, but these are an iconic set, and the Iconic Eye Set has all the brushes the experts use to create flawless eye looks, from natural and simple to bold and colorful, and this retails for $45. They remind me of the BH Cosmetic ones, like this. See, these are the Luxie and this is the BH Cosmetic, kind of similar packaging. And I'm excited because I have this beautiful blending brush right here, and it says Luxie 231 small tapered blending. So it says on the top handle what they're good for. So if you're a beginner, it gives you the name on them. Now this is the large shader, and then this is the small shader right here. Flat definer with a very flat top, and of course a pencil one, which I'm excited for the pencil one. I don't have that many pencil ones, so they are so beautiful. You can never have enough brushes. I'm excited. Thank you, Boxycharm. Next product we have, oh my god, MAC. We have a MAC product. This is a MAC matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Candy Yum Yum. Okay, now let's see. The matte lipstick is the iconic product that made MAC famous. Ooh, this creamy rich formula features high color payoff in a no shine matte finish. I like that. And this retails for $19. So let's open it up here. This is so pretty. I love MAC lipstick. They're a bit more on the high-end part, so I don't have that many of them. There it is, of course, the bullet style, iconic for MAC. And when we open it up, it's this shade. It's a very hot, intense pink. I don't use this shade very often, but I love to have this in my collection because once in a while, I will put this type of lip color on. So this is what it looks like. Has a nice smell as well. Last product in here. This is product number 5. Ooh, we have the Caliente Artist Couture. This is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I love the shades. I'm excited to have an Artist Couture eyeshadow palette. And this, turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 rich pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. I'm excited to try that shade. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, and colorful looks and transform your eyes with this versatile, glowy, getter-approved palette. And this retails for $30. Ooh, I like it. Look, it matches my shirt. Good for Christmas. These are the shades. This last one looks like it's a matte one. They look very pigmented and beautiful. These are the shades right here. That's the MAC lipstick. Beautiful. I really love them. I can't wait to create an eye look of this palette because I haven't done an orangey, pinky, purpley type of eye look in a long time. So I would love to use it again. If you're afraid of colors, this is a good palette because you can just use the beautiful brown in here, and you can use that for a brown eye look and add a little bit of gold, and it's going to turn out into a beautiful look. Now let's go ahead and add up all of the products. I spent $25 on this box, and the whole box costs $178. I think this is a great deal. Boxycharm is amazing. Every month I get impressed, and I'm just so happy with everything I receive in this box. I would definitely recommend subscribing to it. I'm subscribed to the base box. I pay myself for this box. This is not sent to me by Boxycharm in PR or anything. And as you can see, you get wonderful products. Ofra, Elemis, MAC, Luxie brushes, eyeshadow palettes. Isn't that amazing? So I hope you guys liked my December box. Let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite item you have received in your box, or if you are not subscribed to Boxycharm, what is your favorite item you liked in my box? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, Please consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. It would mean the world to me. It would help me out with my channel a lot. And I want to wish everybody happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all the love, happiness, and health to you and your family. And I will see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me?